Hello friends, good evening. Recently I have created one video on Odoo Studio capabilities to create a new group, assign XML ID and use it under the approval groups. So here I wanted to clean the concept of this two type of inheritance. In version 19 you will see implied groups and implying groups. These two groups settings are introduced in version 19. So this is my new group which I have created, and now I wanted to inherit someone, some existing group. So let's say I am giving an example of sales administrator group. Here it is a default group available in Odoo where I have just opened up this particular columns, and now you can see like sales user all document is already part of inheritance to administrator. So administrator is a parent to sales user all documents. That is what implied group means. Okay, now when I move to this user all document group, then you will see user on document is a child. Like implied group means this all document is parent to this group, and administrator, which just we have seen, it's under implying groups, means the all documents is a child to this administrator. So implying is nothing, this becomes parent, this becomes child, okay, for this particular user group for us over here. So when we are creating any new group, so let's say if I am having this particular group, and let's say I am inheriting only user on document, okay, and then if I log in over here under sales manager, so inside my sales manager I can see only my quotation only. Now let's say I am giving the sales all documents, okay, and then I come over here, then I can see sales order from other salespeople also. That is where. Now let's see this all documents. This all document sales manager approval will become children. So you can see sales manager group is in implying group now. So it will become child for this all documents, and all documents is a kind of like parent to own documents only. That's where these two particular settings are useful while you configure any new group. And then you choose implied group, means you are inheriting an existing group and allowing that as an access to this particular become parent. Okay, this becomes child, this become parent. And for this particular group, this whole document is a child for administrator and sales manager. Okay, that is how we have to read these implied groups and implying groups. Hope this will make very clear how you can use these two settings in Odoo 19, and then you can configure your new groups accordingly. If you have any question, do reach me out on YouTube, LinkedIn or email. Thank you guys. Good day.